Domestic pharma sales grew at the slowest pace in 2 years in the month of October. What's hurting this sector? Darshan Mehta is standing by to tell us. Darshan.
Yeah, so basically there's a research firm called AIOCD and they come out with the monthly sales number. So they collect all the sales number for the domestic industry that's happening. And this time around it's been really poor because the growth is at a 2-year low. So the growth for this year is at 5.1%, which the last time we saw was October 2017. To just give you a perspective, this is a drop of almost 60% over last month and over last year. So there has been a drop. And one of the key reasons has been that the monsoon had been extended, so the last few months had benefited and suddenly that stopped, so sales actually dropped significantly. But if October somehow is not always seasonally weak, so that is one of the issues that is there. Now this 5.1% is a combination of three factors: volume growth, price growth, as well as a new introduction growth. For this time around there has been a volume degrowth of 2.7%. That is a big concern that analysts point out, that while pricing they have been able to take up, volume growth has not come in. So the growth actually came in only on account of price growth of 5%. So that is another big concern. What grew? Acute segment, which is almost 75% of the market, that actually was up 8%. Chronic moved up almost 11%, as well as subchronic moved almost 8.5%. In terms of the top 10 companies, obviously Sun Pharma continues to do well. Their growth was also decent. They have maintained the #1 rank with a growth of almost 7%. You had Abbott, which grew almost 7%. The others also growing in single digit. Lupin did extremely well. It grew 9%, was the top performer in the top 10 pharma companies. The other companies that are there, others include Intas, which grew well in Fartfrit. But overall, if you take the numbers, last 2-3 quarters were decent, but this time around it's been really poor.
Right. So when you say just volumes, I think a few of them still came out above street expectations, right? Like a Cipla did okay with its numbers. Sun Pharma, particularly on the EBITDA side.
These are the monthly sales numbers. Okay. These are the domestic sales numbers. This is not the reported numbers. So basically, every month.
So is this a trend that we've been seeing, which fed into these numbers?
No, this is a trend which dropped. So basically, let me just clarify this. These are domestic monthly trends, like how you have your monthly auto sales number, yes, or you have your monthly cement numbers or something. So this is a monthly. Every month there is a research company called AIOCD Avas. So they go ahead and collect sales data from all the stockists to get a sense of how much each domestic company has sold. So overall,
sure. So that's what I'm asking you, because even when we take a look at monthly auto sales numbers, they are a feeder into the eventual earnings performance.
Yeah. So this will actually feed into the domestic sales number. So that also comes in by most of the companies. So that is why. So that's the trend.
So you're saying that it's weak, right?
So this time around it's rather weak because 50% growth. See, because if you can't say that October, because monsoon ends, is a weak month, but this time around the drop is only 50% from last year also same month. So this time around it's been a big shocker.